welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing an Ibotta haul and we're going to hit up Walmart because Walmart has like the lowest prices I've ever seen. And I used to not go to Walmart that much, but I've been just going there because their deals are just so great, because their prices are really low and it works really well with Ibotta. And so we're gonna do a haul today, and if you're new to my channel, I do hauls like once a week, so be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can come and save money with me. And let's get started on today's deals. I did make 2 mistakes, so the 2 mistakes that I did do, I'm gonna go over it at the end and show you guys how to fix it or how to like avoid it so you don't do those mistakes. But even though I did buy 2 items that I really didn't need, or things that were not super on sale with Ibotta, but it ended up being a moneymaker still, so it didn't really matter. So it's still a $5.27 moneymaker. Would have been a little higher if I didn't buy these items and bought something else, but that's okay because I kind of like these items and I'm really interested to try them out. So let's check out my haul. Alright, so we're going to start off the video with an easy freebie. So this is a candy Kittens. They got the tropical mango. They are actually really good. They're shaped like little cats. I already opened them and they're really good. So they're palm oil free, which is awesome, and I think they're plant-based. So these are priced at $1.48. You're going to get back $1.48 on Ibotta, making them completely free. Okay, so this is the next deal. So you're going to get 2 of the Malto Meal cereals. So you can grab any flavor that you want. I've done this deal before, but it kind of got a little better. So if you can find the $1 bags, it's a way better deal. And it's like a huge moneymaker, but those are really hard to find and I haven't been able to find them in my store, but my store definitely carries these. So you're going to buy 2 of these. They're actually the bigger bags, and if you can find the smaller bags, I think they're like 3 something. They're like $3.86, I think. But my store didn't have those, but we had these, which were $4.66 each. You're gonna buy 2 of them. This is a 2LB, the 38.5 ounce bag. You can get any flavor that you want, and I got these because they're like the cheapest flavor for some reason. Depending on the flavor you want, it's like a few cents more. And I'm honestly probably going to donate these because I don't really eat cereal. And you're going to buy 2 of them for $4.66 each times 2 because we're buying 2. And you're going to get back $2 on Ibotta. So 2 times 2 is $4 back in total from Ibotta. And then on Shopkick, you're going to get 1,300 points back, which is equivalent to $5.20. And that makes it 12 cents for both of these cereals, which is a great deal. But you're also going to get a bonus on Ibotta of 50 cents for buying 2. And this makes it a 38-cent moneymaker. So yeah, go get your cereal. Okay, so I actually did a couple of deals with Shopkick this time, but they kind of combined some of them with Ibotta, but these are completely free, so you're gonna pick up these. You can pick up any goodie item that you want. You can pick up a more expensive one, but I picked these up because they end up being completely free. So these bobby pins are 94 cents at Walmart. You're gonna get back 240 Shopkicks, and that's the equivalent of 96 cents, making them completely free, and it's like a 2-cent moneymaker. Okay, so this is the next deal that I did. So if you need some body wash, this is a great deal. It is a moneymaker, and if you need any offers on Ibotta, you'll get back $2 on this Dove Men's Plus Care on the big bottle. And so to do this, you're going to start off by picking this up. So this is the Dove Men Plus Care. It's the advanced care. I got the calming one. So look for these in your store. They're $6.97. And then you're going to pick up this one. This one is in the travel section of Walmart. So this is the Dove Men and Care the Extra Fresh Body and Face Wash. This is priced at $1.47. You're going to get back $2 on Ibotta for this bottle. And then with Shopkick, you're going to get back 1,850 points for buying both of these, which is equivalent to $7.40. So after all that cash back, you're going to make these 2 bottles of body wash completely free and a 96 moneymaker. Okay, so this is the next deal. You're going to pick up the 3 value pack Colgate. I did this deal last time, but it reset on Ibotta, and it's honestly a really great deal for 3 packs of toothpaste. And so you're going to buy this. It's priced at $3.96. You're going to get back $3 on Ibotta, making this only 96 cents, which is a crazy price for 3 packs of toothpaste. And they have a ton of different flavors to pick from. Alright, so this is the next item. This is a treetop applesauce. This is priced at $1.76. You're going to get back 75 cents on Ibotta, and you're going to get back 10 cents for buying any fruit sauce or pouched applesauce, and that makes it 91 cents for this 4-pack of applesauce. Okay, so next up I'm going to pick up another treetop item. So I really like drinking apple juice, so I picked up this juice. It's priced at $1.94. You're going to get back 25 cents for buying this on Ibotta, and this makes this juice $1.69. And then because we bought the apple juice and then the apple sauce together, you're going to get back a 50-cent bonus from Ibotta, making it $2.10 for both of these, which is like $1.05 each, which is a great deal. Okay, so this is the next item that I picked up. This is a Black Label Oven Baked Egg Bites. They're the egg, bacon, and 3 cheese bites. They're great for the morning, hopefully. And I've never tried these, but they look like little egg muffins, and they have like, I guess, eggs, bacon, and cheese baked inside, and you just pop these in the microwave, and they're easy to make for breakfast. These are priced at $2.98. At Walmart, you're going to get back $1 in Ibotta. And I kind of made a mistake on these, but let me tell you guys what I did. So it's not that big of a mistake, but there was like a 50-cent peel on here on the front, and I used that. So it made these $1.48. I thought I could use the coupons.com app and get back the dollar and make these like 48 cents, but apparently you can't use coupons when you use coupons.com app. So instead of using the coupon, I should have just bought it and not used the 50-cent coupon on the front, and it would have made this only 98 cents without the coupon on the front. But because I used it, it was a total of $1.48. So that was one of the little mistakes that I forgot, that coupons.com app does not let you use paper coupons or any coupons that were on here. Okay, so this is the next item that I grabbed. I got this wee yogurt. It's lemon flavored, but you can get any flavor that you want. I actually messed up on this because I was like running around and needed to get an extra thing, but in the end it ended up working out well because I had over the amount of offers that I had to get. And so this was $1.34. For some reason I thought I'd get back 50 cents on Ibotta, but I didn't look that I had to buy 3 of these to get back that 50 cent. So if you really like these yogurts, you can buy 3 of them to get that 50 cent back, or check your app to make sure how many you have to buy, because I think it differs from account. And so on the coupons.com app, you're going to get back 15 cents for this. Well, because I bought this for $1.34, I got 15 cents back, which made this $1.19. And I'm actually kind of excited to try this though, because it looks really good. I've had the blueberry one before and it was good, and I like the fact that they're in these glass bottles. Okay, so the total for this haul was $32.83 with tax and everything. And then after I got money back from Ibotta, then I got a coupon.com app money back, And then I also got Shopkick money. So after all of that, I only spent $4.73. And then I got an Ibotta bonus of $10, which made my total be completely free, and a $5.20 moneymaker. Thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and see you next week for the next deal. Bye!